Good afternoon, folks. Welcome back. Let's talk about weather. And it's cloudy, and the forecast for the next 5 days is rain. And the rains are never ending in ooty. Let's talk about Nipah virus. It's like the mummy returns. Nipah virus also returned back to Kerala, and people should be very careful when you travel across borders because a couple of people have died. Only through direct contact you'll be infected, so you need to stay away from people. Seriously, it is very scary to live in this world with all these viruses. Viruses are happy. Okay, we come to this garden. We have interlocking pathway to walk and concrete benches to sit and relax. This place is one of the smallest horticultural park here in Nilgiris. Yeah. And this is not closed. The slab has to be put back, and this water goes to the lake. So lake is on the other side. Photo shoot is going on. Yeah. We have a person mowing the lawn with a sharp blade. It's an art. It's an art of mowing the grass. And the workers are cleaning the lawn. They are removing the dead leaves from the lawn. We have the border plants pruned on either sides of the pathway, and we have some logs. This is a small garden, so we don't have anything much over here apart from the greens, which are really good for our eyes. Yeah, color is good. I'm not filtering anything, but the color is good. You can come here. The ticket price is rupees 10, and for cameras it is rupees 100, and don't know for something else they have listed. I don't know. Okay, it's been a good day, so let's end the video here. See you. Bye bye.